Hello and welcome to the first session in how to become a junior Java software developer. Now you are taking this course because you're currently not in the software development world. You want to learn those skills. And so this course has one objective, and that is to get a job as a junior Java software developer. There's a lot of courses out there that will teach you some of the concepts in Java or show you how to practice with certain tools, but this course is geared to not just teach the ideas or practice them, but actually take that and land an interview. And so I'm going to help you through that process. Our outline is going to be very simple. We're going to start at level 0. So we're going to get Java on our computer. We're going to download everything we need to do to write Java applications. Then we'll start with the basics of programming that will become for any language. And then we're going to right away get into putting our code on a GitHub repository. So we're going to do that for all of our projects. And so we'll start off right away with some configuration. And if that's new to you, don't worry, because I'm going to teach you everything you need to know in a very short amount of time, and you'll be very comfortable with putting projects onto GitHub. Then finally we'll get into some object-oriented programming ideas and deal with how to handle errors in files. And this is kind of the core of some basics of Java, which will lead into data structures and collections framework. These things kind of make up the Java language and a lot of interview questions, a lot of the concepts. And then finally we're going to get into algorithms, and you're going to think like a computer scientist. Algorithms, if you understand how to write an algorithm, how to think through an algorithm, you'll be really impressive when you have your interview. A lot of people know if they're getting an interview, if they're scheduling an interview, a lot of people might know the answers to an object-oriented programming question or to a collections framework. But to think through a problem using algorithms will make you look like a computer scientist, and that really will differentiate you from a lot of other candidates. So that'll be an important topic for us to cover. And so again, all of these topics, this course outline was developed with getting a job in mind. So I have experience as a trainer, a worker, a recruiter, and a business service delivery, and so I'm aware of what people are looking for when looking to hire junior Java software developers. Our approach is going to be a combination of conceptual, practical, and job-oriented. So conceptual, we want to teach the ideas, not just practice them. So there are courses out there that, again, are very one-sided, right? They'll teach only the ideas, but you don't get the practice, or the people who teach the practice and how to apply it, but they don't really teach the idea. So you need to know how to answer interview questions, and some of those interview questions are conceptual questions. But you also need to demonstrate that you understand by writing programs in your interviews. So we're going to be a balance of concepts and practical. I want to provide both of those to you, again, for the purpose of getting the job. So it's the job-oriented training. Lastly, for your sake and for my sake, I have quizzes and assignments. So I have these periodically throughout the course, and these are for your sake to know where you stand, how you're progressing through the program, and they're also for me to see how you're doing as well. So hope this introduces the program well, and let's get started with becoming a junior Java software developer.